Hello guys, today I will show you how we'll do the Vlookup. So let's start. For now, I want to search the age of Maria. So let's type Maria. Let's put age here. Okay. So click function, insert function, search for Vlookup. Okay. Then press OK. Then function arguments will pop up. The first tab will be the lookup value, so we need to find which one you want to look up. So I want to look up Maria, which is age 3. Next is table array, when to find it, and which one will be the output. So B, which is the name, and output is C, which is the age. Next, the column index num. Call index num is how many index from B to C. So let's start counting from B, which is 1, then to C 2, so 2, then false. Okay, now we have the age of Maria. Let's try others. Let's do it by typing. Let's find the gender of Brian. So equals Vlookup open parenthesis. So we want to look up value for Brian, which is age 4, and where you want to find his gender from B to D, then comma, don't forget the comma. Next, how many column index from B to D, starting from B, counting 1, 2, 3, which is B, C, D, 3, then false, 0, close parenthesis, enter. Now you get the gender of Brian. That's it guys. Hope you liked my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.